Yes. Mag-hello ka lang.
Oh?
Hello ka. Oo.
Pwede din na.
Ay, naka-record. Say hi.
Say hi.
Ano?
Hi.
Wow! Doon, nakita, tagwapa nito.
Oo.
Ay, sama ka, magbalik ako.
Hi everyone. Good morning. It's August 27 and 8:39. Tapos birthday ni Lolo today. Say good morning, Mimi. Ilagay ko to sa muna.
Cut.
Good morning. Naka-side view pa lang. Agoy. Di na, bebe. Good morning pa kay Lolo. So, baba na muna kami, guys. Kasi na gagawa na ng...
Hinigugmao, wala ang kapugi, manglupad sa bintana. Kamu mga asawa ha.
Good morning, vlog!
Hi.
Kinalura ng laway na busog ka o lamit na kao.
Nakita sila si...
Hi, Lo. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very
Hindi
much.
mahimo ning bahala dyan.
Ang kapag-aysan.
Kaya maama man
Hi to my vlog.
Kristo. Makita na to sa ibang
Busy siya, guys.
Sila,
Maayos.
asa sa may ma.
Masilong
Kung natulog po sila, kaya tanaw ko sa TV.
Guys, maluluto kami. Kasi birthday ni Lolo.
Nakalinggaw. Very good.
Ito, ilagay mo to. Para may magamit ko mamaya. Okay. Ilagay mo din to konti. At yung mga damit kasi nanilamhan ko kahapon, hindi siya natuyo kasi naulan. Nag-aano lang ako, nagsislice.
Ako kumakain.
Kasi isa kumakain na. Because we need to prepare for Lolo's birthday. Oh, wow! Prepare lang minsan na. Actually, gusto ko na maligo, bebe. So, tapos yung sana ako. Hi guys! So, mag-move kami ng balik kami sa hotel. Kasi mag-night swim kami. Mag-rent kami ng isang room for us ni Sam. So, here's our things again. Pack na naman. Lahat na naman. Then yeah, I'll see you guys later. Wala namang ganap masyado. Ano lang ni Lolo sa birthday ni Lolo. Yung kanina yung prepare natin. And that's just it for today. Tomorrow, another day. Tomorrow will be the last whole day that we'll be staying here at Negros. And then the next day, going to Cebu again.
No, it's that one. On this side, you see that.
We're here ready to bring kuyas, everyone. So here. So, can you try to push it?
Same problem.
Same problem. Sa door. Did you guys tell them? No. I thought they fixed it already. Wow.
It's still open.
We have to let them know. Yeah. They're gonna transfer it. Kuya! So yeah, they still have the same problems sa room 3 last time. Ewan ko. So let me just ask them if we can change room. Kasi hindi pa rin nila na-fix eh. So, that's a big problem. Like, big. So guys, we'll be staying at the same room. Stay here for push. Diba? Sayang. Okay. We're back here again. Same room. And it's so stinky. Right? What can you say about the room?
Hi, thank you.
Galing talaga to. So yeah, Yun lang naman for today. Ay, hindi pala magsiswimming pool na naman kami. Uy! Loko!
Oh my goodness, who did that?
Oh my gosh. Mga pamangkin ni Sam nandito. So, they said they're gonna take over. Here, Liba, you take over my vlog. You talk to people, you talk to them. Here, that's how you do it.
So what are we gonna do today?
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna go to the swimming pool.
Well, go there. Go to Alex in there and show Alex.
Hey, guys, this is Alex. Yeah! Welcome to a special guest. We're gonna go swimming. You know that we're on a swimsuit, and we like swimming. So we're gonna swim again, right? Oh yeah.
Is your parents getting ready?
Yeah. So the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna
It's already occupied.
go to the pool. It's better there though. We're gonna go to the pool and then we will swim.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Hi vlog.
And
This
after
is
that-
Auntie Mari.
Yes, it's Auntie Mari.
And after that, you're gonna show the pool.
Hi guys, naglalaro kami ngayon. I'm with the kids. Say hi.
We're gonna play next in the pool. Derek is here.
Derek, you say hi. It's camera.
Oh wait, Derek, add me.
My love, say hi.
Wait, give me. Derek, add me.
Leave her there.
When I jumped, I was jumping
You
so
got 2-2, I
high.
got 2-6.
Oh, how?
What he said? I don't know.
2-7. Well, you got more days than
What's
me.
up,
Okay.
y'all? Then
Where are you now? Are we
What's up,
complete?
y'all?
Let's go. Let's start. Who's hungry?
Guys, you just
Say
21
the same thing.
and put in the
Did you hear that, Alex? Is that the same thing?
I hear that.
So cool.
guys, you just 21.
Right. Hi everyone, good morning. Time check, it's 11 a.m. So, we'll be checking out. Ano?
Ito yung sa akin eh. Ginawa ko din.
Yeah. So, mag-check out na kami with this boy. And wala pa kaming breakfast. Breakfast muna kami. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami Imbis plan ko lang hinto kasi wala tayong tissue.
May dala kang tissue.
Like for future purposes. May mga tissue kasi dito.
May tissue na doon sa...
Ours is different, you know what? Sige lang, magagamit natin yan. Magagamit natin ng tissue. Okay, so yeah. So maglalakad-lakad muna kami, guys. Oh my gosh, nagulat ako, ate. Si ate naman. Ate, mag-check out pa. Check out na po mo. Yes! Si ate na lang talaga. Ate mo na lang, ate. Naka-vlog ka, ate, habasig. So, yeah, mag-breakfast muna kami. Thank you, ate. Lalakad lang kami. Actually, nagka-crave siya ng pansit canton. Yuko, dumalit yun.
Samyang actually.
Lechon manok. Ha? Samyang? Ayoko ng samyang kasi maanghang. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa maanghang. Mga spicy foods. It's not my thing. Gusto ko ng halo-halo. Meron siya halo-halo dito. Uy, baby, gusto ko mag-trip store. Oh, may ukay-ukay.
Kalma na sa podcast. Sa kanya sa tabi.
Sigo na lang daw. Pag nakita ko kasi parang gusto kong kainin. Mga ganyan. Pizza, everything. Ganun. Okay, we're gonna see here, guys. Dito kami sa isang store.
Gusto mo?
Nadulog ko.
For how long?
Yeah, let's try. How about you want halo-halo?
This is maybe after eating.
But let's just ask upstairs what it looks like.
You want to ask?
Yeah, we got our food. You ordered something?
Wow.
Yeah. They have cheers, man. Ayan. Ang ganda nito kasi maganda ang medyo malamig na naka-aircon sila tapos mura lang ang let's try with the hot sauce. We're done eating na. Punta na kami sa Frequency kasi gusto na ng halo-halo. Halo-halo tayo. Sidewalk. Okay. Halo-halo time. Halo-halo time. So, init. So, init. May menu sila. Maybe you can just ask them as well if they have stuff. Hi, good morning, Ate. Ate, so early naman maghalo-halo.
Of course, breakfast and all.
85 lang. Lagi ka na lang talaga fries. Kainin na siya ng fries. Though, hindi ako dapat nagreklamo kasi it's gonna pay for it. It's not me. So, yeah. Kung gusto kong kumanta. Na sila karaoke. Sa taas lang, may feel ko maganda ang view. So, nasa taas kami ngayon. Medyo okay pala yung view dito. No? And I have banana chips with me. And I'm gonna sing a karaoke. Wala, nasa ang mic? Ay, so. Hala, wala ang mic. Okay, I'm gonna mix it, guys. Ah.
Galing.
Oh.
It's a waste.
Hi, guys. The time check, it's almost 8. Siguro hindi nyo makikita, but this is our last night here in Negros. And I'm kind of a bit sad kasi I've been here since 20th. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 20th. So, it was a long day, like long week. It's almost 2 weeks, actually. So, ngayon, parang feel ko na magkakasakit ako tomorrow. But hopefully not. Fingers crossed. So, dapat nga magsiswimming kami now. But, I'm too tired to do that. So, si Sam and the kids are swimming. Kasi ako sobrang pagod na talaga.
Hi guys, we are swimming. My uncle Sam, he teach us how to swim and tricks. I'll show you.
Oh yeah, come on. Show us.
Hi, I can swim.
Oh. So may mga tricks daw sila pinapakita ng uncle nila. Okay. Come on. Oh wow. Oh, how you swim? Ooh. Ooh. What are you gonna say to the vlog? How was your swimming?
Good. Bye. I'll miss you. And have a wonderful day. And yeah.
How about you leave? Did you enjoy? Wow. Ang kulit. Hi everyone. Last day. Actually, palis na kami. 7:30. Susunduin na siguro. Tapos, pupunta na kami ng Cebu for today. So, dating siguro kami ng Cebu mga around 3 p.m. Tapos, I'm gonna miss everything here. May problem pa nga kami kasi hindi masyado maka-CR. Hindi nag-flush talaga ang washroom. Ha, kaya ang ganda ng araw. Hi guys. Nasa Cebu na. Tapos, nasa Kalangan. Sakit talaga ng ulo. Nalaman kasi paggabi. Tapos ngayon mabigat na yung karamdaman. Dito ako. Ayun, nasa ano na kami, Airbnb. So, nandito na kami sa Airbnb. This is what it looks like. Oh, they don't have pool pala. Oh, shucks. So, yeah. We have our food. Okay. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-eat. And, ako ay maglalaman ng damit namin. Supposedly, ka-laundry kami. Pero nung parang magpapalaundry kami. Pero, nung tinignan ko yung damit, sobrang bigat. So, baka aabot na lang kami ng magkano. So, naisip ko na lang na labhan ko na lang ang mga damit. Diba? Ganun talaga dapat. Pag-asawa ka. Hi, Rico. Good morning. It's the, anong araw ngayon? 30th of August. Oh my God, malapit. Oh, 31st ng August, Charter Day sa Surigao. Ewan ko lang kalimutan ko. But anyways, guys. So, another day na naman. Sa mama na sila nag-breakfast. Ako nag-edit lang ako. Kaya basic kasi naman ko nag-edit. So, sila lolo umalis na. And nandito pa yung isa. Higa-higa pa. Hindi na lang talaga maligo pa ang tao kasi baho na. So ako, as a huwarang asawa. What? Over. As a good wife. Oh, wow. You need to make sure. So, guys, lang ako ng mga damit niya. Diba? Ganun eh. Wala eh. Gusto mo yan eh. Para mag-dry na siya. Ito yung mga nilabhan ko kahapon. Kagabi. Kahapon? Kagabi? Yeah. Goodness. May hanger pala dito sa labas. Nagalitan ko yung isa kasi hindi sinabi sa akin. Hindi may hanger pala doon yung sinabi sa akin.
Kala mo alam mo niyo.
Ba't di mo sinabi sa akin?
Kala mo alam mo niyo.
Nahanger ko na sana yung mga damit mo kagabi pa. Bago sinabi sa akin.
Wala kang sinabi. Wala kang Kasi, hindi ka nagtanong.
Kita mo yung mga damit mo dun sa CR.
Kala ko alam mo
Ikaw
na.
maglalaban ng mga damit mo, ha?
Aray yung buko.
Ha?
Aray yung buko ka.
Mas mo, ha? Ikaw magtutupi niyan. Tupiin mo yan ngayon.
Okay.
Bilis. Ngayon. Kasi akit na ako. Ay! Tupiin mo, bilis. Kasi mag-aakit na ako.
Ano sa akin, no? Kala mo talaga.
Nahihinis na siya kasi hindi ko siya pinapagbigyan.
Kala mo talaga. Patatok mo.
Okay. So, lutuin namin yung samyang. Kasi, wala, hindi ito chinelas ko. like something like that. So, ito yung kakainin namin. Lulutuin ko. Ito yung samyang, bebe. Akala ko yung red. Oh, different flavor. Okay. So, ito yung samyang, bulldog cheese. Actually, gusto ko yung mga yung may cheese. Yung maraming cheese. Hindi naman marami. Kasi sa work dati, baby, yung alam mo yung pot, tapos nilulutuan mo ng mga something. Yun. Yung ginagawa namin palagi. Tapos mga cheese, ganyan. No? So, yeah, ito yung lutuin ko. Actually, marami naman kami food dito. We have footlong. Kasi wala silang microwave. Ang sarap sana. Ay, ang sarap nito i-fry ulit. We have nangka. We have daing. Ito, kainin ko tong daing mamaya pag nag-ano kami. Itong samyang. Eh, hindi ako mahilig ng maanghang. Oh my gosh. Wala. We have fruits here. Ano to? Chicharon. So, yeah, lutuin ko muna. In-heat na naman siya. Tapos dinay ko pa. We have our samyang na. Matagal ko na talaga gusto mag-try ng samyang pa. Kaso I'm very scared of how spicy it is ata. Wait lang ha, mag-cheers tayo. So we have royal kasi mabuti na yung may alam. What? We have daing kasi pag di ko bet yung samyang. Pero gusto ko talaga siya matry. Wait lang, okay. Let's try. Cheers tayo, cheers. Konti lang. Sarap. Ang hanga. Ito ko yung cheese because I like cheese. Pero ito, sobrang anghang niya. And bread. Gusto niya sa bread. Ayun ang ginawa niya. Put lang niya. Ganto ko muna. Naluntok yung ahang. Naluntok.
Carbonara mo siya.
No.
Oh! Parang may soft drink pa rin.
I'm done eating na. Hindi ko na kaya ang anghang talaga. Maubos mo yan lahat ha. Okay. Yun lang. Tapos na ang samyang episode. That's it. I-rate ko siya ng 2 out of 10. What?
Oh?
Kasi nakain siya ng lahat ng maanghang, kaya ayoko. Pero pag hindi siya maanghang, i-rate ko siya ng 10 out of 10. Wala. Ratings ko yan.